Hey, space enthusiasts. What if I told you that astronomers might have just witnessed a brand new type of cosmic explosion? This isn't just another Big Bang. It's something so rare, so powerful, it could rewrite our understanding of how stars die. Get ready to learn about the superkilonova, so let's break it down. You've probably heard of a supernova, right? That's the spectacular death of a massive star. When it runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, and then boom, it explodes, blasting its guts across the galaxy. Sometimes, what's left behind is an incredibly dense, dead core called a neutron star. Think of a city's worth of mass squeezed into a ball just a few miles wide. Then, there's the kilonova. This happens when two of these super-dense neutron stars, locked in a gravitational dance, finally spiral into each other and collide. The result is another mind-bogglingly powerful explosion. We've only ever confirmed one of these, so they're already incredibly rare. But now, scientists think they've seen something that combines both of these events. Imagine this. A giant, rapidly spinning star goes supernova. But instead of leaving behind just one neutron star like usual, its core is so unstable that it splits in two, creating a pair of neutron stars right there in the heart of the explosion. According to a new study, led by astronomers at Caltech, this newborn pair of neutron stars didn't waste any time. Almost immediately after being born, they collided with each other, triggering a kilonova right inside the fading supernova. A supernova and a kilonova happening together, one right after the other. This double whammy is what they're calling a superkilonova. Researchers looked at all the data from gravitational wave detectors and telescopes across the globe. They tried to explain the strange signal they saw with every known cosmic event. A regular supernova didn't fit. A standard kilonova? Nope. The only explanation that matched all the evidence was this wild new hybrid explosion. Think about the sheer chaos of it. A star explodes, creating two ultra-dense stellar corpses, which then immediately smash into each other. It's like a cosmic nesting doll of destruction. The energy released would be unimaginable. If this discovery is confirmed, it will be the very first time we've ever observed a superkilonova. It shows that the universe is far more creative and complex than we often imagine. As one of the lead astronomers, Mansi Kasliwal, put it, nature is very creative, and when we attempt to unlock its mysteries, we should do so with eyes wide open. This potential discovery opens up a whole new chapter in astrophysics. It suggests there are processes out there in the cosmos that we've only ever theorized about. We're not just looking at stars anymore. We're witnessing the birth and immediate death of a binary system in a single cataclysmic event. What do you think about this incredible cosmic blast? Could there be even more types of explosions out there waiting to be discovered? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. It is discoveries like this that remind us just how much we still have to learn about our amazing universe. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more space news. See you next time.